Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing and I'm the creative director of B Stitches Designs. If you're new to the channel, thank you very much. Please kindly hit on that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. So today we are going to be cutting and sewing these beautiful shorts with elastic band on the waist in 10 to 15 minutes. So let's get right into the video. So first of all, you are going to fold your fabric into two, after which you are going to get the length of the short. I'll be using the length I want for this short is 15 inches, and I added 2 inches for hemming allowance, making it 17 inches. So after that, I'm going to be dividing my hip measurement by 4. My hip is 37 divided by 4. I'm going to place it from the center, from the folded part. Whatever you get from dividing your hip by 4, you're going to place from the center and mark out, and you're also going to place from the upper part and also mark out. So this will create something that looks like a box. Can you see? I'm placing from the upper part now to also mark out. You are going to extend the one from the upper part. You are going to extend it. Can you see how I did it? So next, you're going to be getting your waist to hip measurement. Mine is 8 inches. Waist to hip measurement, mine is 8 inches. Then after that, you're going to be dividing your hip measurement by 20, and whatever you get, you round it up. So mine will be 2 inches. So you're going to mark out your 2 inches. Then from that waist to hip line, you are going to connect to your extended 2 inches. So, and you're going to draw it down. It's going to be a free short. It's not going to be a tight short, and you are not going to be placing your waist measurement because it is elastic. It has elastic, so we are using the hip for the waist. Can you see? So we are not going to be placing any waist measurement. So you just cut out. We are done with the front piece. Slit open the side, slit open the center, the folded area. So after we are going to be using this front piece to get the back piece. Please make sure you always mark the wrong side of your fabric, that is the back of your fabric, so you avoid making mistakes. So you're also going to fold to get the back piece. You fold, and then you're going to place the front piece that you already have. You're going to place it on the back piece, making sure you have enough allowance at the center, that is that flap area. Make sure you have enough allowance. That will be enough. So next, you're going to be extending the lines, that is the crotch line and the hip line. You're going to be extending those lines. Then after which you are going to mark out whatever you want to use as the allowance. We are going to mark this out at the center. Can you see? So I'm using 2 inches. So for this area, I'll be putting my thigh measurement. By now you guys are supposed to know how to measure for your thigh. My thigh measurement is 25 inches. You're going to place your tape, flip it around to get your 25 inches. Then for your hip, you are going to divide by 2. Whatever you have, that is what we are working with. Mine is 19. You place your tape from that flap area, pin on that 2 inches and flip. You are going to connect and draw down. So for the waist area, remember we are using the hip measurement for the waist area because it's going to be an elastic. So you're also going to mark out your 2 inches allowance. You're going to place your tape, pin on that place you marked out as the allowance, and flip over to get your hip divided by 2, which is also 19 inches that I used just now. So you're going to connect. I hope you guys understand this. You can also check out my previous video on a short pant. I already made a video on a short pant. You can still check that out, and that one is comes with a zip and has a dart, but this one is elastic. This one is really a quick one. So I'm done cutting. Remember, you are going to go up by that flap area. You are going to go up by 1.5 inches and slant to the side, and then you cut out. Please guys, if you have your questions, you can drop through the comment section. I am ever ready to answer your question. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Kindly like this video, check out our previous videos. Please drop your comments, and you can also share. Thank you very much. So I'm cutting out. We are done with this. Remember, I promised you this is going to be a 10 to 15 minutes stuff. Very easy, the easiest way to make a short. No darts, no zip, just elastic band. So we are done cutting out. Next is to cut the band. So I'm going to be using a 2 inches band. I'm going to be using a 2 inches band because the elastic I'm inserting is a 1 inch elastic. So I'm just going to cut out my band. Cut out my band. So that is it for cutting. We'll be going right into sewing. So to sew this, you're going to join the center of the flap, that is the flap area. This is the front piece. You're going to join. I joined by 1/2 inch, and also join that of the back piece by 1/2 inch too. After which, I'm going to open up, place the front against the back, and then join the sides. I am joining the sides by 1 inch each, all the way down. 1 inch all the way down. Also do the same to the other side. Do the same to the other side. 1 inch all the way down. After which, I will join the flap area, that is the center. I'm done joining the center. So next is to fold the down part. I'm folding by 1 inch. I'm folding by 1 inch. Can you see? I'm folding by 1 inch. Please guys, if you're still here up to this moment, I really appreciate you. Thank you very much for watching my video. And please, if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to hit on that subscribe button, and kindly click on that notification bell so you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I post. Please, you can drop your comments and your questions via the comment section. Please don't also forget to share this video. So I'm almost done folding the down part of one leg. So I'm going to the other leg. Remember, I'm folding by 1 inch. Remember, I'm folding by 1 inch. Please let me know in the comment section whether you are going to try this out. Please let me know if you try this out in the comment section. So the next is to fix the band. So the band was in two pieces, so I had to join. I joined the band, and then next is to fix it. I'm going to fold. Can you see how I'm doing it? I had to remove that part. I don't like that part. So after folding, you place and you skip. You don't start from where you placed. You skip it a little bit for joining, and then you're going to sew all the way till you get to where you started. All the way. All the way. All the way. So I've gotten to your side, so you trim off the excess. So you are going to join. Can you see the way it is? So you are going to join. You are going to join. You are going to join. We are going to join. We are almost done, guys. Can you see? This is very simple. The most simple way to sew a pant. So next, I have to measure out my elastic. My waist is 29 inches, so I measured 18 inches of the elastic, and then I'm going to be inserting this elastic with a safety pin. Can you see, guys? Insert with a safety pin. All the way till you get to the other end. So I had to hold that part so it doesn't slip inside. All the way till you get to the other end. And here we have it. So when you bring it out, you're going to place on top of you're going to place one on top of the other, and then you are going to stitch severally. You're going to stitch severally so it doesn't rip. Stitch severally. Can you see how I'm doing it? You stitch severally. And here we go. Can you see? Can you see? We're almost done, guys. This is really simple, very easy. It wouldn't even take you a long time to sew this. After that, you are now going to close up this part that is still remaining. You close up this part that is still remaining, and we are good to go, guys. Our shirt is ready. Our shirt is ready. Can you see? Free elastic waist shorts that you can make in 10 to 15 minutes. Very simple. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Please kindly hit on that subscribe button, click on notification bell, like, comment and share. Thank you.